Hello, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. This is all places you can find me. This is a special Birchbox because for Customer Appreciation Day they had a sale and I had a whole bunch of Birchbox points. So I got the sale myself, the Treat Yourself Beauty Kit. That's right, I treated myself and got this awesome box, well, bag. So let's get into all the fun stuff that I'm going to treat myself with. So, hey, yeah, I'm going to treat myself here. Got all these fun little treats in this clear bag, which would be cool. Like, you know, like when you have to go to things that have a clear bag, this is going to be the perfect clutch for that. So I've got all these things that I'm all excited for, and I can't even figure out which thing is which. So let's see. We have the Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Mask. It's a hydrating mask that will moisturize skin in only 3 minutes and no rinsing required. That is crazy. How's that work? It says you leave it on your face for 3 minutes to okay. What do you do afterwards? You don't have to rinse? Oh, it just hydrates. You just put it on your face. Wow, that is amazing. Then we have Odacite. It's PF&O, passion fruit and orange, dull skin serum concentrate. So it's a little tiny bottle. And it says all you need is a couple drops to get remarkable results. I guess you can put it in lotion or whatever. It's interesting. It's really, there's like a whole entire thing here. And it's got a whole periodic table of concentrates here to make your own. Let's see what this smells like. It's hard to open. Watch this, I'll spill the whole damn thing. Got a little orange scent to it. That is interesting. It's so tiny, I'm afraid I'm going to lose it. Then, we got the Malin Goetz body wash. What's even better than a strong drink at the end of the day? It's a rum-scented body wash. Like I'm going to feel like I'm in Aruba again. I'm going to rip off this seal because, let's be honest, it's going straight into my shower. Oh my God, it does. Oh, geez. I feel like I'm back in Aruba. God, I think I'm drunk. It's dark rum, and it purifies your skin. Oh my goodness, I like that. Then we have, let's see what else we got in here. I don't even know how to pronounce this. LXMI. LXMI? Anyway, it's pure Nilotica melt. It's a shea butter relative. It says dot directly onto dry areas of your skin to soften. Oh, you can also use it as an overnight facial mask, which is what I'll probably end up doing. Good to know. Clark's Botanicals. I do Age Defying Radiance Cream. It's an anti-aging peptides to brighten and even out skin tone. I enjoy that. Okay, I've had this before. I've had this like 2 or 3 times. Juara Candle Nut Body Cream. This is about one use in here, but I like it. It's very neutral smell. Okay, Whish Vanilla Lip Scrub. Scrub the lips, because then when you wear matte lipstick, it's not going to get in the cracks or anything. That's why I love lip scrubs. I keep them in my shower, and I just do my lips while I'm washing my face or whatever, or doing my body, and then, yeah. That's my little tip. Nuface Prep and Glow Cloth. Use the smooth side to cleanse and the side with the micro dots to exfoliate your face. Might just have to put this in my model bag for those days when I have a bunch of crazy makeup, but I have to go somewhere with normal makeup afterwards. There we go. And then finally, wholesome bath milk. I'm taking this to New York with me. It's like a bath bomb. It's just, you put it, it smells so good. So you put it in your bath and you soak, and it's supposed to dissolve dead skin, reduce lines, and balance your skin's pH, which I'm just gonna spoil myself when I'm in New York. And I got a clear pouch with a bunch of confetti paper in it, which I might go torture my cat with and try to get her to play with it, and I'll end up getting scratched, because that's what that is. Anyway, that's how I'm gonna treat myself. This is where to follow me. And until next time, stay beautiful.